The first thing you will want to do after installing Quarter Estimate for your Revit version is to navigate to the Add-ins tab found at the top of Revit. You can then open up Quarter Estimate and get started. Quarter Estimate requires you to sign in, as it uses cost item matching and estimation features on the Quarter database. You can create an account on Quarter.io and then sign in with those credentials here. The next step only happens once per Revit project. Just pick the zip code that you want your project to be set in, and a few other simple settings. Click Create Project, and you're in. You'll now be presented with the full Quarter Estimate interface. If you navigate to Preferences, you can change key project settings such as some project defaults. You can also sign out in the Account tab. Now, for the main feature. Let's navigate to the Doors Revit category so we can provide real-world item matches to Revit materials. To get started, just select the items you want to match. In this case, I will select them all. Then click Smart Match, which will perform an AI-powered match with an item on our database. The color of the generated item shows the confidence level of the match. The confidence key is shown in the top right. If the confidence is low, you can click on the item to manually set it. From here, you can search CSI categories for the item and also search the item by name. When you save it, it will display as a manually edited match. When you're satisfied, save your progress and move on to a new category. This pipeline is very similar for assemblies, as you can see in the roofs category. Once you've filled in enough categories, the next step is to click Generate Estimate in the top left. At this point, you can select any of the categories that you've matched and click Generate Estimate. Give the software a few seconds to generate the estimate. At this point, you can visit Quarter's dashboard to select your project on the left side. You can select your most recent estimate at the top. At this point, you're done. The estimate is generated and saved on the Quarter website so you can check back later.